Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and we're on board our brand new to the store 2019 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck. I'm sorry anyone watching this video is going to get the reference. This is a Stormtrooper boat. You can see the white tower. What you can't see, but you will in the pictures, is the black hull size. It's just a great color combination. It's classic. White motor, white tower, black hull size. It catches the eye on the water. It looks really, really good. Then you step inside the boat and you see, whoa, it looks really good. Starting at the helm. This boat has got an in-dash Simrad touchscreen. It'll give you everything from the engine data to your GPS to your sonar. Everything you need is right at the tip of your fingers there. If the reach doesn't work for you, no problem. Tilting helm. You've got a flush mounted and really, really great head unit from Fusion. Of course, it's backed up all over this boat with Fusion speakers. I love the helm chair too. You've got an opportunity to pop this up, a bolster for some rough water, or if you just want to pull some people and see over your shoulder a little bit easier, that bolster gets out of your way, lets you stand up. Of course, when you're to the sandbar and you want to relax, you get to extend your lounger. In fact, you can already see it here on the passenger side. It's exactly the same way. You've got a forward and back lounger here. You've got a bolster in front of it. And of course, this is a Sea Ray day boat, so it would not be complete without a fantastic head. Stainless sink, great soft touch materials throughout the boat, and frankly, it's actually comfortable. Even if you're my size, 6 foot, you can actually get in there. But this is a family sandbar day boat. Pack it full of friends. It's what it's here for. You've got storage everywhere. Every one of these seats, huge opening storage. I mean, seriously huge. You can put 10 bags in there if you need to. You've got a cooler under this seat over here. Additional storage in the back. Cup holders are all recessed, tucked out of the way. How many times have your friends spilled their drink on your boat and it drives you nuts? Well, here, tuck those Yetis out of the way. They'll stay put. Somehow somebody's gonna manage to spill it anyways, but you got Infinity vinyl flooring. It replaces the carpet that was on your parents' boat. It is completely waterproof, doesn't deteriorate. It's awesome. Remember how I said towing friends? In addition to your arch tow point, you've got a second tow point. And with a 300 V8 on the back, you've got the power to pull doubles. Of course, beautiful lounger in the back of the boat. It can pop up, give you a really comfortable spot for your legs. You still have cup holders, cell phone chargers, even a little grip mat over here to stick the cell phones in. Fresh water on the back, sea deck on your swim platform. How much better can you get for an outboard day boat for a day at the sandbar? Guys, this boat is Sea Ray's 270 Sun Deck Outboard, and it is all that. Give us a call at Sarasota if you want to take a ride or you've got some more questions about pricing. Until next time.